Okay, I got this EVVA prime loop locks. The lock is pretty smooth. It is locked. Here's the bitting. Let's see if this one works. I believe you might be able to get it to work here. Start in the back. Okay, I believe that was pin 3 I bumped and got a slight turn on the core. 3, 2, and 1, or 2 again and 1. Alright, that was 3 or 4. Put me in a false set. Let's see, find the culprit. Using light tension. A little more on 2 and 1. Alright. I'm not sure which one I bumped, but it more turn. Need to tighten it down there. Two again. And I believe that was 3 it opened down. Oh. I believe it was 3. Alright. Move this stuff out of the way here. We lock it up, it's not a big deal, we got a key for it. Pin. All the key pins work, and 5 is counter milled. 3, 2, 1 and 4 look counter milled, not as much as 2, 3, and 5. Let's see what we got in here. Two standard. Alright. Wafer with a small spool and a standard. And another, now that one's not standard. That one's spooled, it looks like. That one's serrated. That one is serrated. That looks standard. That looks standard. Let's see what the plug. All 5 are threaded. So number 1 is a homemade spool, hourglass shape. Another one, just like it, almost, spool. Another spool. And that is what I call serrated spool. Alright, that's a double spring. Single spring. And don't really see anything with the Bible. Okay, here's this 5-pin EVVA from Luke's Locks. Serrated spool type. Same with this one. Spool. Double spool or stack spool. Another stack spool. These are standard. Serrated. Little spool with the key pin wafer and standard. And this one is like a T-pin serrated on top. And this one is spooled, I guess you could say. Alright, Luke's Locks, thanks for the lock. Be safe, be good, be legal. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as usual, have a good day, guys. Thanks.